and go!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashley, and today I'll be talking about bridging the age gap. We are focusing on a disease, Parkinson's. First things first, what is Parkinson's? Parkinson's disease is a brain disorder that leads to shaking, stiffness, and difficulty walking, balance, and coordination. Parkinson's symptoms usually begin gradually and get worse over time. Let me share some statistics with you. Did you know 61.9% of those over the age of 50 years old have Parkinson's? Some key symptoms are tremors, rigidity, and postural instability. How do we bridge the age gap? The three keys to bridging the age gap are support, surgery, and technology. Now, support means to help people when holding things, walking, and eating. Surgery means to give them surgery to remove tremors. Technology are things like spoons for shaky hands that can help people with Parkinson's eat, and etc. In conclusion, the 3 points for helping people with Parkinson's are understand how Parkinson's works and how to help them, learn how to take care of them, and be empathetic to them. Thank you for listening.